Okay, today I am going to discuss about the another problem regarding the engine performance and also about the heat balance test. The problem is the following results were obtained in a test on a gas engine. Gas used is 0.16 meter cube per minute at NTP. Calorific value of the gas at NTP is 14 megajoule per meter cube. Density of gas at NTP is 0.65 kg per meter cube. Air is used 1.5 kg per minute. So now it will be the specific heat of exhaust gas 1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Temperature of exhaust gas 400 degrees centigrade. Room temperature 20 degrees centigrade. Cooling water per minute 6 kg. Specific heat of water 4.1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Rise in temperature of cooling water 30 degrees centigrade. Indicator power 12.5 kilowatt. Brake power 10.5 kilowatt. Now this is the part that which we have to calculate, that is to draw a heat balance sheet for the test on per hour basis in kilojoule. So first we have to calculate heat supplied per hour. So heat supplied, it will be, that is the calorific value of the gas at NTP is 14 megajoule per meter cube and the gas is used 0.16 meter cube per minute. So the heat supplied will be 0.16 into 14,000 kilojoule per meter cube, and for the hour it will be multiplied by 60. So now it will be, if we calculate this, then 0.16 into 14,000 into 60, so 134,400 kilojoule per hour. That is the amount of heat supplied is 134,400 kilojoule per hour. Now second is heat loss due to cooling medium. Heat loss due to cooling medium. Now heat loss due to cooling medium, cooling water per minute will be, the formula will be here M into S into T. Okay, M is cooling water per minute 6 kg, so it will be 6. Now specific heat for the water is 4.18, and for temperature difference is, that is rise in temperature of cooling water is 30 degree, so 30, and for the hour it will be multiplied by 60. So now it will become 6 into 4.18 into 30 into 60, then it will be 45,144 kilojoule per hour. Okay, now coming to the third part, that is heat loss equivalent to brake power, that is BP. Heat loss equivalent to brake power, that is BP. So it will be, brake power is here 10.5 kilowatt. So 10.5 into, it will be multiplied by 60, again 60 for hour. So it will be now 10.5 into 60 equal to 37,800 kilojoule per hour. Okay. Now coming to the fourth part, that is the heat loss. Heat loss due to exhaust. Heat loss due to exhaust. So formula will be here. Same formula, M into S into T. So the exhaust gas equals to mass of air plus mass of gas. Now mass of gas, so here it is, mass of air is 1.5 kg per minute. So MA is given, that is 1.5 kg per minute. But the mass of gas we have to calculate, because at the NTP gas is used 0.16 meter cube per minute, and at NTP density is 0.65 kg per meter cube. So mass of gas to be rho g by Vg. Rho equals to M by V, mg equals to rho g into Vg. So mg equals to here 0.65 to be multiplied by 0.16 so it will be now, mg will be now 0.65 into 0.16, so 0.104 kg per minute. Now for the exhaust, total exhaust will be that is ME equals to MA plus MG, it is 1.5 plus 0.104, and it will be multiplied by 60 for the hour. So it will be plus 1.5 and 60 multiplied with this, so it will be 96.24 kg per hour. So now heat loss will be 96.24, again it will be multiplied by specific heat, that is given as specific heat of exhaust gas is 1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, so it will be multiplied by 1, and the exhaust temperature is 400 minus room temperature is 20 degree, so it will be 96.24 into 1 into 380, so now it will be 36,571.2 kilojoule per hour. Okay, so now unaccounted losses, unaccounted heat loss is heat supplied minus heat expenditures. So heat supplied is here 134,400. So 134,400 minus all the heat expenditures, that is heat loss due to cool 45,144 plus 37,000, that is the heat loss equivalent to BP, that is break power, 37,800. So it will be 37,800. Again it will be added with the heat loss due to exhaust, that is 36,571. 36,571.2. Now the unaccounted heat loss will be plus 45,144 plus 37,800. 134,400 minus answer will be 14,884. 14,884.8 kilojoule per hour. Okay. Now if we draw the heat balance sheet, so it will be now heat supplied, that is value, heat expenditures, again its value. So heat supply total will be here 134,400. So 134,400 kilojoule per hour, that is the heat supplied value. Okay. Now heat expenditures, heat loss due to cooling medium, it will be 45,144 kilojoule per hour. Similarly, second, heat loss due to BP, it is brake power, 37,800. 37,800 kilojoule per hour. Now number 3 is heat loss due to exhaust. Similarly, 36,571.2 kilojoule per hour. And unaccounted heat loss is 14,884.8 kilojoule per hour. These are the complete table of, this is the complete table of the heat balance sheet.